Hey everybody, Roger Gaudette here again, and I have another little bit demonstration. I have a little bit different take on things. If you notice from my videos, I like to keep things very simple. But today I want to show you why, like when we got our machine and we started producing this water, how my wife was all of a sudden this amazing chef, amazing cook. All our soups and stews, just the flavor just came right out of them, and I couldn't believe that she was doing this. I thought there was a different chef in the kitchen. So I just want to show you real fast, and I mean, like I said, I have a different take on things. So I'm sure maybe some of you have seen this tea bag test, but I like to show it as it's pulling the flavor, and so I'll just show you. Okay, so here's our tap water. We're going to try to make tea. Okay, so let's see. When we make tea, most of you guys know it's pretty hard to make tea with cold water, right? But let me show you how Kangen water and how it can affect something. Okay, so here's our Kangen water. Just instantly pulls out that flavor. So when we make our soups and our stews, like you're just pulling the flavor out. And that's why these faux restaurants, all these other restaurants all over the world are just clamoring for this Kangen water, because their customers are just raving about how much better their food is tasting. So let's see. The skeptic in me says, well, it must have been because the bag was wet going from there to there. So let's see. We'll try to make more with more tap water. And sure enough, nothing is happening. So maybe there's no more tea left in that tea bag. Okay? So let's go back. Kangen water. Boom. Right away. And again. Let's do it again. See if we can make more. So, just crazy, right? So, you could see now like how it's enhancing the flavor, but I like to show something a little bit different, because I'm a true believer in people understanding. You may have your soups and your stews and it tastes bland or whatever, but I just want to show you that maybe there is something in here. Maybe Kangen water is what pulls it out. So let's see. Can we pull out that tea? Amazing. You know, all your food is going to taste so much better. And people think that this machine is expensive, but you know, when we start disinfecting everything with the 2.5, so there's no salmonella, E. coli on that, we soak it for about 2 minutes, and then we have this 11.5 that degreases and removes all that pesticide, that cancer-forming heavy metal that's on our fruits and vegetables. You know, like, you're doing yourself a big favor, and the macronutrients you're going to receive by having this Kangen water and making things with it, it's just going to bring out the flavor and enhance the health of your body. And let's just look at the other thing. So then, here's our tap water. Here's our Kangen water. Here's our chlorine drops. One drop. One drop. If it stays clear, there's no chlorine in it. Is there chlorine? So now you have this carcinogen that you're washing your fruits and vegetables, and that is getting absorbed, and you're taking it in. Kangen water doesn't have any. So that's my little tea bag presentation on how we become this super amazing, awesome food making machine with this machine. Okay? So change your water, change your life. Love you guys. Enjoy all my videos. Love you. Till next time.